Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we're going to look at one question for differentiation A level. So that is exam style question. So in the given question, we have given an equation of a curve, and it says it has only one stationary point, and we're supposed to find the x coordinate of this point. So as you remember, just to recall, since to find the stationary point, we need to get the first derivative equal to 0. So first of all, we need to find the derivative for this one, so which is y is equal to e to the power x over cos x. So this is the given function to us, but here you remember for this function in this one we have a numerator and denominator containing the independent variable x. So that means we need to apply the quotient rule on it. So what is the quotient rule? Recall v square v du by dx minus u dv by dx. So what we can do here for our ease, we can assume the numerator as u and denominator as v. So if we differentiate the numerator, so as we remember, the derivative of exponent stays the same, and derivative of v will be equal to minus sin x. So if we replace these values in the formula here, so v square, so that means this is cos square x, keeping v as it is, derivative of u minus u as it is, and derivative of v. So once we already have a differentiation, so we can little bit simplify this one, which is dy by dx is equal to, here we can see e to the power x can be common, so this will be cos x plus sin x over cos square x. So since we are looking for stationary points, so the first derivative should be equal to 0. So here in the derivative, the denominator will not be equal to 0, but numerator can be 0. So from here, e to the power x is equal to 0, or cos x plus sin x is equal to 0. So here if we apply log on it, so log of 0 is not defined, so that means this is not applicable. So this will be sin x is equal to minus cos x. So if we divide both sides by cos, so from here we will be able to get tan x is equal to negative 1. So once tan x is equal to negative 1, so we can find the value of x, so it can be written as tan inverse of negative 1. So we need to look where is tan 1, so this will give us minus pi by 4. So since we can see here our domain is given between negative pi by 2 to pi by 2, so we need to give answer in radians, so whether we can give minus pi by 4, or we use calculator to simplify this, so which will be negative 0.79. so it should be three significant figures, so if we simplify this, so this is 0.785, because since you remember in A levels we have to give answer in three significant figures. So here this will be our answer. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.